So this is a really bad trip hazard, as you can see here, and people coming into these buildings back here, the massage parlor and the other buildings, tripping over this. So this morning we're going to drill a tiny 3/8 hole in the concrete slab here. We're going to pump foam underneath and we're going to raise this slab up using polyurethane foam. The foam will stabilize the soil, fill any voids and support the concrete slab all at the same time. No permits needed for the business owners. And after we've done this, they've also got a section around the back where the walkway is sloped away from the building due to soil erosion. And we're going to be pumping foam underneath that as well, raising that up, getting it level, and then doing some crack sealing on that section too. Starting to lift.
Oh yeah.
Now that's the lift we like, after you've pumped.
Look at that.
Oh nice, Eric. Wow. So now you can see we've drilled a hole back there. Eric started pumping foam. And the first couple of seconds of him pumping, the material spread out, compacted the soil, and now we're getting really good lift. You can see how this dial's moving. We're getting the slab to come up really nice. So this is not going to take much material at all. And in no time, it'll be up without using pry bars, without using any cheat bars or anything. We're getting perfect lift on this. Now they don't have to worry about any more customers tripping over this and suing the businesses. No more trip hazards. Quick and easy. Here we have a slab that's sunk away from the building due to the fact that the soil erosion has moved the soil below it. You can see how far it's come from the back here. We're going to try fill that up as best as we can. We have this slab we're going to try and lift up and move back. Pump some foam underneath here, which will stabilize the soil, fill any voids if there are, but more than that, lift and support the concrete slab. Well, this whole slab's moved. Yeah, I think we're going to drill a hole there, Eric.
Yeah.
This whole slab's moved. It's dipped down. I think there's a huge void at the back, which I wasn't expecting. Pull out there, Eric. This came up very nice in the corner. You can see the void's been filled nicely there, but this back here is sinking down a lot. It's actually moved away from the hole, from the wall. Oh no, this lift is great. We're getting a lot of relief foam. We're filling up the voids are filling nicely, the slabs are lifting. I'm assisting with the pry bars just to give the material some direction which I wanted to flow in. So overall it's going pretty good, but there's a substantial void underneath there. We've used quite a bit of material already just to get to this point, but we're getting there. We'll get there. It's slowly but surely. We're winning. There we go. There's some nice relief foam. Yeah, I'm happy with all that. Let's do that hole next to you, Eric. Yeah, this is nice and level here. It's level on the back. It's picked up. We've got foam coming through the center crack there, which is great. Now this one, we're just going to stabilize. We're just going to stabilize that one. And then we'll come back to this terrible slab on this side. Is it coming out? All right, Eric, stop.
No.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, you can see we got these two slabs up perfectly where they should be. They're level. This is level. We got these slabs up really well here. There are a couple of little voids I want to fill from outside, but that's just for soil erosion. And then we're going to grind a little bit where it didn't turn out perfectly level. But yeah, this turned out pretty good. I'm happy with this job. Yeah, you can see there's a big void down here. Fill that up with foam. You can see there's a big hole down here. But the foam's filling that up nicely. You can see it's mixing well. Get some more foam down there. This will prevent any water from going down there and causing any more soil erosion. Okay, Rick. The front also came out perfectly, the little walkway leading up to the office building front, the shop front. So now there'll be no more trip hazards, no more liabilities for the shop owners, and that worked out perfectly. Stabilized, void filled, no permits needed, 2 hours in and out, and the job's done. We're just going to sweep up these little bits and pieces that we've messed from cleaning up, and then we're ready to rock and roll. If you need any concrete repair work, foundation work, pool deck work in Florida, Tampa Bay area, give us a call on the number below. If you enjoyed this video, check this one out. Thanks guys for watching again, and we'll see you next time.